Hello friend, today I'm gonna show you how you can create your own post in IMO account. So creating post is look like other social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as well. This is the same category but IMO has a different way. So you can create, okay, just follow me step by step, then you will learn how you can do this. So we go to IMO. After getting interface, then you are seeing that on the left bottom corner plus. Okay, just click on the bottom corner, then we are getting this section, and here we go the last one, more. Click more. After getting our dashboard of email account, simply click the name. Okay, there is three icon. We are seeing there is three icon: human icon, global icon, and lab icon. Okay, so we are getting global, and here you see the go post. I did not create any post in this account, so I need to create a first post in my account. Okay, so simply click here, go post, and here we are seeing the three section in the bottom part of this interface. Sing, you can also sing a song, then text, and then camera. You can use camera for your selfie, then you simply upload it from in this email account. So you can use it in the last one, but the middle one, text, click here, and this is the canvas where you can write something. Okay, so I just I love to make videos. Okay, I just give some. Then after finishing your writing message, you can give hashtag. Hashtag means when you finish your account, what is the relations of your post. Just click and find relation. I think when you click, when you text lab related or job related, technology, whatever you created, no problem, but just here you may find the related hashtag that, then click simply here. I just want to show you, this is hashtag, and you also have put the location, but I don't want to share my location here. Okay, and the privacy setting, this is the cool feature you can learn from this tutorial. There is three section: turn off download, turn off comment, and turn off share and repost. This is all things in your hand. You can customize your post, you can control over your post. Okay, if you turn off download, then no one can able to save your or download your post image from your creating post. Okay, and if you turn off comment, then no one able to put comment in your that specific post. Okay, so the last one, turn off share and repost. If you put it on, then no one can able to share and repost your. Okay, so this is the very good cool. I think you can um, use it from your own post. So when we finished our uh, section, then simply click a right top button. Okay, click here, and here we go, our post is created here. So there is three option: lab, and this is the similar to other social media. You can choose any, you can choose any icon, any emoji in the related post. So I just click here, and this is the comment section. People can comment in your post, and this is the share post, share option. Okay, and repost and share. I don't want to it. So guys, I think you got a good uh, helpful video from this tutorial. If you think that you get a minimum helpful for this video, please like, share and make subscription in my channel, because I will provide best tutorial about regarding Android tips and tricks, social media tips, messenger, IMO, WhatsApp related tutorial. So guys, today is no more. Take care. Bye bye.